Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This time around, I'm going to be showing you several of the tips and tricks I've accumulated over the last several years teaching and customizing Bluebeam Revu. Okay, back to the toolbar up here to My Tools. You'll notice that the tools that I put in the My Tools tool chest, when I drop them in there, it gives it a little number up here. And that is a keyboard shortcut. So for the sync, it's 22. If I'm cruising around and I want to put syncs in, I'm going to type in 22 on my keyboard, and it's going to give me my sync tool. So those are assigned automatically. I use those for my most common tools. And that should bring us right up to the end. I hope you've captured some good notes with these time-saving tips and tricks you can apply immediately to your workflows this afternoon. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.